Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to learn how to configure Unicenta POS 5 version. First of all, we are going to type Unicenta download, and we are going to click in this link, Files tab. Um, we must to inside in source folder. We can to click in Unicenta 5 version. In my case, I have Unicenta in my download folder, and I'm going to I move this file in my user folder. In my case, Jose Francisco folder. Okay. Then we are going to unzip this file. In my case, I did it. Okay. In Unicenta POS file, we need to have a Maven and Git Bash tool. If you haven't this tool, you can download in your browser. Just type git download in Git website. You can to click in for your operating system what you are using. In my case is Windows 11. Okay. Once open Git Bash open it and Maven install, we are going to verify Maven version. I have a 3.9.6 version. You can to download in your browser. Type in Maven repository. Maven download. We are going to go Apache Maven project, and we can to download the file in Apache Maven zip in case for Windows, and tar for Linux. In my case it's bin.zip. If we need to have the Maven folder in file program file. I have moved Apache Maven folder, and then I must to add this directory, such as environment variable. I'm going to system variables. I choose the path option, edit, and you can see that I have a Maven home variable. Okay, but what contain Maven home variable? Okay, we have a Maven home variable, this value. It is the Maven directory once installed it. Okay. How we can to verify we have to Maven install? You can to Git Bash terminal and type nvn command dash version. Okay. The next step is we are going to go Unicenta dash oppose file, and we type nvn command space verify. With command, this is to download all Maven dependencies necessary for to run the Unicenta project. In my case, I did it. I just to open the NetBeans ID 8.2 version for me. In this case, I'm going to File in Open and select Unicenta POS file. We have to all the project. We can to check about all packages and all files, download files. Okay. Once open this project, just to run button and select the class starter class. In this case is start POS start POS that's Java. You can see that Unicenta is running, but it requires me about the database connection. Before we can to check about the database is created. This is a important requirement. In this case, I have a PHP my admin. I'm going to log in with a root user. I set password, and you can see that Unicenta POS doesn't exist. We are going to click in database and type the Unicenta POS as a database name. I'm going to click in create button. Okay, for the moment I left the database as empty, and I'm going to go to the database setup. I click in database setup tab. In this case, the Unicenta show me about the messages about the MySQL is the bracket. Okay, this application need to MariaDB. This is the best option for multiple terminal configuration. Okay, database name is Unicenta POS, and database URL. We need to set the database name like Unicenta POS, and user root and password is the same. Click the connect button to verify with connection is success. Okay, connection is success. Save the changes and exit and run again the application. Okay. Once the database is connection, okay, we have a small trouble. We are going to verify MariaDB, okay, Unicenta POS, user root, and okay, we are going to run the application again, and click in run button. We wait to the application start, and we can see about the messages for we haven't the database created. This application will create the database by default. Do you want to continue? Yes. Unicenta application will to create the database. Um, we have the application. We can see the main screen, and in the right we can to all roles: administrator, employee, guest, and manager. We're going to sign with administrator, and we can see all the screens, the application. It's all for this video. I hope that these uh, these have been to big help to you. Okay, we are going to see we will to see in the next video. Thank you.